See, privileged cloud architecture. Okay.
Yes. Yes.
You already have access to the partner portal. So same lab we can utilize. Okay. I'll guide you how to
Mm.
use that one. And I can assure
Okay.
you, you'll get a L3 level knowledge. Okay.
Sure. Sure,
Uh,
sir.
related to the CPC. Because in our project, we have Cyberark CPC, we have Cyberark workforce password management, we have Cyberark secure infrastructure access, then we have a
Okay.
Cyberark secure cloud access. Earlier name was the cloud entitlement manager. Uh,
Okay.
then we have a Cyberark remote access management. Okay,
Okay.
so
Okay.
all those services are there in the environment, and we have implemented CyberArk endpoint privilege management as well. So
VPN also.
EPM also, yeah. So
Mm.
generally, when we say CPC, it's specific to the PAM, but when
Yeah.
we say other services, so a lot of things are there to learn. But um,
Yes.
not everything is available from the CyberArk side. They
Yeah.
are also launching new services, and it's in development phase. Okay,
Yeah.
so I would not say that you know uh, in other departments CyberArk is doing good, but yeah, it's their start, so they are improving over there. Okay,
Okay.
yeah, great. So you said you are already working, and in your environment you have a CPC, or it's a PAM.
No, no, it was on-prem. Like, it's not cloud-based. It is like self-hosted. Like,
Oh, understood. Got it.
yeah.
So we'll focus mainly on CPC only.
Yeah.
Okay. Hmm. So components are almost same. There is no big difference. Like our privilege vault, right? Then PVWA, then our
Yeah.
CPM and the PSM. Okay.
Yes.
Now in
Okay.
privilege cloud, what happens? Your vault and your PVWA is hosted
Mm-hmm.
in a cloud.
Okay.
Okay.
Vault
So
and
right hand
PVW.
side, yeah. If you see
Okay.
this one on the right hand side, it is already hosted in a cloud, and CyberArk have hosted this one in AWS.
Okay.
Okay,
AWS.
yeah,
Sure.
AWS. And then what CyberArk recommends to have a CPM and PSM in the
Okay.
customer environment.
PPM and PS. Okay.
Yeah, and basically there is a concept called as connector server. So,
Oh,
for example, let's say we need to install the Windows operating system. On top of that, we install the connector server, and inside of the connector server, you get a CPM and the PSM both.
okay.
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 So here, if you see, uh, let's say this is the PSM. Okay. So privilege session management. So
Mm-hmm.
from privilege session management, access to the target system
Okay.
gets enabled. Okay. So
Oh,
concept is almost same. Only the thing is half of the components are present in customer environment, and half of the component it is with the CyberArk. Okay.
Cyberark. Mm.
Now, one
Yes.
important thing over here is you won't be getting access to the vault because it is with the CyberArk. CyberArk is
Okay.
responsible for that. So basically, in on-premise, what happens? We log into the
Yeah.
vault and we start the services related to the vault. We
Yes.
open the vault related application, right? We do a lot of activities on a vault server,
Yeah.
yes,
Yeah.
for the PVWA. But when you start working in CPC, you just have to remember one thing, that vault and PVWA, you are not responsible for it.
Okay. So if in any issue occurs, then we have to connect to the CyberArk team.
Yeah,
Like
so
PWA is not working.
you raise a ticket with them, and
Okay.
you raise a ticket with them, and if there is any issue, they will work on that part. They have access. You don't have access to that one.
Okay.
So these are the basic things. Now there is one link provided by CyberArk, status.cyberark.com. And from here, all their cloud services related health information you get over here. Get to
Okay.
know. Okay. So for
Okay.
example, let's say you are using CyberArk privilege cloud services, right?
Yeah.
You see,
Yeah.
all systems are operational.
Our system operation.
And then if any maintenance is planned, you'll get to
Yeah.
know. So as I said, they have hosted their services in AWS. So AWS Aurora
Okay.
RDS related version upgrade they have planned
Okay.
on 7th of December.
Okay.
Okay, so in response to the AWS end of life announcement for their
Mhm.
certain Aurora RDS version, CyberArk will be updating our service backend infrastructure. Expected
Okay.
downtime during the upgrade 15 minutes. So
Mm.
your CPC may go down for 15 minutes. So clearly,
Okay.
you are getting the information related to that one. Okay.
Yeah.
So it's not that 100% of the time your CPC will be available. Of course, it's a technology at the backend upgrade and maintenance, everything is required. Okay.
Yes.
So
Yes.
uh, in Tokyo, UAE, Milan, so if your cloud tenant is hosted on these regions, then this is the time. Then if your tenant is hosted in these regions like Frankfurt or Israel, London, then 4th January they're planning to upgrade that one. And for US
Yeah.
region, it's 11th January and 18th January. Okay, so it's not that, if you know how AWS cloud works, so they have a availability zones, right? So it's not
Mm-hmm.
that in all the availability zones at the same time they are going to do that one.
Okay.
It will be in phases. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So the upgrade is conducted within the maintenance window and clear instructions are available. What you can
Yeah.
do basically, okay, so past incidents, if you see, complete status update is available. So in recent 7 days, nothing major, right? No incidents reported. But yes, if we go to incident history,
Mm-hmm.
uh, on 2nd November, some activities happened, right? Yeah, this one. You see, privilege cloud global login issues.
Global login issues. Yes.
Yeah. So on October 20th, a lot of customer faced login related issues, but it's a known thing. Like if
Okay.
any maintenance activities are going to happen at the back end,
Yeah.
type of issues occur, and you need to be up to date. So that's why what is suggested by the CyberArk, subscribe to the updates. Okay. So what
Okay.
you need to do, you need to provide your email ID, and they will be sending you the notification email.
Okay.
Okay. So this is related to the privilege cloud services. Now,
Yeah.
all systems are operational. Let's go back. Yeah. So same way, what service you are using in your environment, you can
Yes.
select that service, and you can get the updates related to that. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Yes. So related to the privilege cloud, this SI is also present, secure infrastructure access. So
Okay.
basically, uh, if you do the integration of a SI with the privilege cloud,
Okay.
uh, VPN-less connectivity to the target system. is possible.
Okay,
Okay.
VPN. Okay.
VPN less. Yeah. And if you do not do that one, then compulsory user need to connect to the VPN, and then it will download the RDP, and via RDP session, access to the target system is possible. Okay. Then remote access and secure browsing services. So remote access management related updates you can get from here. Okay. So from the CyberArk side, you get a remote access management. So remote access management is basically it's a Alero services, and you can enable access to the third party engineers to your privilege cloud. Okay. Then there is a secure web sessions available. Secure web session is related to the cloud access. Okay. And then from the CyberArk side, CyberArk secure browser is also available. Like we have a internet, right? We have a Chrome, so like that. Secure browser is by the CyberArk.
Okay.
Okay. So first task for you, go to the status.cyberark.com, right? And click on Privilege Cloud and subscribe for this one. Okay. Updates. Yeah. You can give your company email ID and can start getting updates related to this. Okay.
Okay.
Any question you have related to status.cyberark.com? How to check the health?
So here, like in this status.cyberark.com, we get all the cloud related services of CyberArk, right? Yeah.
Correct.
Okay.
Yeah. So basically, let's say if you start facing issue related to the any of the service, or you're facing issue to load the CPC portal, okay, then first thing you need to do is come over here and check whether any backend activity is happening.
Okay, so they will update here. The CyberArk team will update here. Like if they are going for some maintenance or something, so we'll get update here, right?
Correct. Because if you see this architecture, multiple things are involved, right? Let's say you're not able to access to the target system. Okay. Now, if you do troubleshooting related to the connector server and your target system related troubleshooting steps, okay, and later on you get to know that everything is fine over here, but at the back end some activity is happening. So unnecessary some parameters you will be changing over here, right? So
but
your
my question is
troubleshooting
like,
phase should start from here, right to left. Okay.
But I have one question, like, will it not have a business impact, like if there is like users are not able to connect or some like session is not getting established or something like that? So for that, in that case,
yeah, I mean, business impact is part of IT technology, I would say. Okay. But the thing is, let's say you have onboarded 1,000 accounts and you are facing issue with 1 or 2 accounts only. In that case, it's between your connector and your target system. Okay. If all 1,000 accounts are facing the challenges, okay, or more than 100 plus account, I would say. Okay. In that case, definitely you will be getting a ticket from end users, and you have to check for it, right? But if it is it is a issue related to 100 plus accounts, then definitely you need to check the backend first. Correct? Because clear line is defined over here. You see?
Between CyberArk and
So as I said, you don't have a control on this part. You can't do much. Okay. All you can do, you can open a case with the CyberArk. But the thing is, okay, by the time you raise a ticket, issue gets resolved. Okay. Yeah. Because you need to understand one thing. CyberArk
Yeah.
does not give a 100% high availability uh,
Okay.
commitment. Okay, it is
Mm-hmm.
99.95%.
Okay.
Okay, so what is
Mm-hmm.
the
Okay.
meaning of 99.95% high availability? So this is interesting. 99.95% uptime means what? Right?
Yeah.
You see?
Don't mostly no 3 hour 36 minutes.
Yeah.
Okay. I don't know
So
weekly time over 50 minutes. Okay.
yeah. So you need to understand the meaning of this.
Mm-hmm.
All cloud services gives you the 99.95% uptime.
Okay.
Okay. Now, on a daily basis for 6-7 minutes, if this CPC is not accessible, so you cannot say
Yeah.
that CPC is not a good technology, right? It's already agreed one.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. 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 Okay.
Yeah. So monthly 3 hours, 36 minutes. So
Mm-hmm.
basically, for 30 minutes, if you face any challenges, okay, uh,
Yeah.
even customer cannot penalize the cyber, right? Because it's
Mm-hmm.
under the contract.
Yeah. Contract is there. Got it, sir. Yeah.
So this is a very important thing. So you should not go in a panic mode that why CPC is down and why, for 30 minutes everything was down. It's a known thing. It's agreed thing, and
Okay.
nothing is 100% in this world,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
Nothing
Correct.
is 100% perfect. Yeah.
Correct. Correct.
So these are the basic things which will help you to become a good engineer or a good SME or a good architect. Okay.
Yes. Yes, sir.
Basic concepts should be clear.
Yes, sir. Correct.
Okay. So
Yes.
monthly 3 hours, 36 minutes means it's if system is back in 30 minutes, for example. I mean, in my experience, I've seen in 15 minutes, basically it comes back. Okay. But even if it
Okay.
comes back in 3 hours, what you can do? Nothing, right? Because it's already agreed.
Yeah. Yeah. So part of the agreement, so we can't do anything.
Yes. So
Okay.
this is the thing. Okay. Now,
Okay.
um, let's see this part. Okay, one more task for you. Draw this diagram in your notes. Okay, because
Okay.
it will be useful for you. How it works? So basically, user from his laptop logs into the CPC portal. Okay.
Okay.
So where it takes you to the privileged cloud web portal. Okay.
Okay.
Forget about this remote access management. It is a separate service basically. If you are a vendor, then you
Mm-hmm.
will not be getting access to the CPC. You will be getting access to the remote access management, and from remote access management, you will be able to access the customer environment. Okay. Uh,
Okay.
but if you are already a part of a CyberArk support team,
Yeah.
in that case, uh, privileged cloud web portal. Okay. So
Okay.
HTTPS. Okay. So you just have to
Mm-hmm.
open a browser, HTTPS, provide
Mm-hmm.
your tenant link, and you
Okay.
should be able to access the PWA from here. Okay. Now,
Okay.
if you see the connectivity
Mm-hmm.
uh, from the connector server,
Yeah.
secure tunnel client and secure tunnel backend, right? These two things communicate with each other, correct?
Client and secure. Okay.
Yeah. And then your secure tunnel is communicating with your radius, your active directory, your SIM, okay, all those things.
Okay.
And
Okay.
then vault, and from Windows connector, RDP or SSH or other protocols, using that one, you'll be able to access your target systems like web apps, network devices, servers, and the cloud infrastructure. Okay. So
Okay.
this is how the HLD provided by the CyberArk. Okay.
Okay.
So this
Okay.
is a high level diagram.
Diagram. Yeah.
Okay. Uh, so RDP to the connector server, because if you are a BAU engineer, you can do the RDP to the connector server. That is possible for troubleshooting purpose. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
There is a LLD also available, low level diagram. Okay.
Okay.
But first, let's see the HLD. Do you have any question query related to this one?
Mm. No, as of now, it's
No? Okay. So here, let's expand a bit. So privilege cloud is deployed in two-leg architecture, correct? So first leg is customer environment and second leg is
mm,
CyberArk privilege cloud.
Cyberark.
Okay. Now, in customer environment, what we implement or we install the Windows connector, right?
Mm-hmm.
And Windows connector, it runs the following components: privilege
PSM
session
and CPC.
manager and central policy manager. Okay.
Yeah.
Now,
Yeah.
you are already from the PAM background, so you know the basic of this one, right? PSN,
Yes. Yes. Yes.
it's kind of a jump server from which we can access our target system. And CPM, it has the password rotation
Password
permission,
management.
correct?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes.
So, and CyberArk Privilege Cloud, it has a Privilege Cloud portal user interface and
Mm-hmm.
Privilege Cloud, also known as the Vault. You see?
Okay.
So our core components are same. There is no difference.
So PVWA is like user interface portal. That is only PVWA, right? This one, the Privilege Cloud portal user
Yes.
interface. Okay. So what is the difference in the like PVWA of the on-prem instance and the cloud instance? Like any difference is there? Like
No, there is no difference. All options which you get in PVWA, similarly in a cloud portal user interface, you get those options. But as I said, a lot of backend services are visible. Okay,
mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
so in PVWA you won't be getting option to access the SCA, SIA. Okay,
Okay.
then RAM. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
so you get a waffle button over there, and if you click on that, um, uh, you'll be able to access so many things. Now, interesting thing is, uh, CPC, to work on a CPC,
Mm-hmm.
uh, this plays very important role: CyberArk identity.
Identity. Okay.
So user management activity happens from here. A lot of roles and permissions can be given to the user from here.
Okay.
Okay, so this option is not available in a CyberArk PAM.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay,
Cyber identity.
so
Yeah.
yeah, so in uh, this is the new thing. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
so basically, let's say I want to create one user with the name Rahul. Okay,
Yeah. Yeah.
and to the Rahul, I want to like, give him a auditor role. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
so from here I can do that.
Okay.
Okay, so what I need to do, log into the CyberArk Identity Administration. Their
Yeah.
privilege cloud auditor role is available, and from
Okay.
there, in that I just have to add you as a member.
Okay. Got it. Mm.
Okay, so you'll be you become auditor, and if you log into the portal, you'll be getting the auditor level rights.
Okay.
Okay,
So
so
like we're doing the LDAP integration kind of that
yeah,
thing, right?
yeah, correct. It's LDAP
Okay.
integration kind of thing.
Okay.
So, uh, what roles are available in CyberArk CPC? Let's see. You see, built-in roles are there, right?
Yeah.
Hmm. Yeah, this one. So basically go to the identity administration. You see
Yeah.
core services, roles, click
Yeah.
role and click member. And from there, add and remove you can do. So currently it is showing how to remove the user right from here. But this is very important. Most of the activities related to the identity access, we do it from here.
Mm,
Identity administration, core services, and under the roles. Okay.
okay. Okay.
Uh, to assign a domain user or a group to a role, right? So there is a system administrator role also available. So what system
Mm,
administrator role can do? The primary administrator role for admin portal users. In this role, uh, can delegate specific administrative rights. Okay. So system administrator is also one of the important built-in role available in CPC.
okay.
So important thing is it's kind of a user management you are doing at this CyberArk level. Okay.
Mm,
But
mm,
first thing is user need to be created uh, in a customer environment. Their regular method will remain same. Okay.
okay.
Once user is created in Active Directory, we need to have those four groups. Okay.
Yes.
Which one? CyberArk
Vault admin, auditors,
Vault
users, and
admin.
so
Yeah, exactly. Vault admin, auditor, then CyberArk users, and CyberArk safe managers.
risk manager.
Okay.
Yes.
For us, important is CyberArk Vault admin and CyberArk users. Okay.
Okay.
And
Okay.
if you add that user in CyberArk users group, then
Mm,
only user will be able to access the CyberArk portal.
correct, sir. Yes.
Yeah. So that concept remains same over there. But after that, everything is manageable from CPC.
Oh, okay, sir.
Yeah.
So here the built-in roles, like roles are same, right? Those four. Uh,
No, so try to understand one thing. CyberArk
mm,
users that group we create at the AD level, and it is just to access the CPC portal. Okay,
yes. Okay.
and once that user is visible in our CPC,
Yes.
then this type of roles we can assign. Okay, like built-in roles are there, right? So everybody, you see, built-in
Everybody.
roles are there. Invited users, system administrator. System administrator basically it has a kind of a full access permission. Okay, you see, this role grants full access to all identity administration portal setting. By default, the
Yeah.
CyberArk Cloud Directory account for user who signed up for CyberArk identity is system admin role member. You cannot delete or rename the system admin role.
System
Correct?
admin role.
Yeah.
Okay.
Then, for example, let's say you want to give a CyberArk identity agent endpoint, this role to a specific user. You can do that one.
Mm,
Okay, these are the built-in roles. I'm just trying to give you the overview of this one in practical. We'll be seeing that one in depth. Okay,
sure.
with the proper use case.
Sure. Sure.
Okay, uh, great. Let's go to this diagram again. Now, what is the difference between HLD and LLD?
HLD, I think it will give the like the high level diagram, and in LLD, I think like
It's a
more specific.
low level
Yeah,
diagram. Okay,
yeah.
so
This one is low level.
more
Yeah,
components will be visible, and you'll get to know the complete connectivity between the customer environment and the CyberArk environment.
yes.
So there is one diagram available. Let's see. Low level architecture diagram. Yeah, this one. Cyber ADAU. So this is also one good YouTube channel. Okay, you can
Okay. Cyberark body.
yeah,
Oh,
you can subscribe to this one.
yes.
Images community.cyberark.com. Let's go to this page directly. I think okay, again it is taking us to the community only. Okay, so this is the LLD. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
so example, privileged cloud architecture in the identity security platform, shared services including ports, protocol, and components. Okay. Diagram is not clear, but okay. You see, now compared to the HLD, you get more
Mm-hmm.
information, right?
Yes,
And
sir.
here we have a clear blue line present. On the left hand side, it's a customer environment. On the right hand side, it's a cloud environment by the CyberArk. Okay,
Yeah.
so CyberArk uses AWS services. Okay, so what all services are used? Uh,
Mm-hmm.
that information is available, and then
Okay.
additional services will be visible over here. And then Windows connector and Linux connector, and how it communicates with the um, load balancer or Active Directory or SIEM and to your
Mm-hmm.
target systems.
Yeah.
Okay, so there is a better diagram available. Let me check from where we can get that. Instead of going to the images, it's taking us to the HLD only.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so this one is also one of the valid diagram. Okay,
Yes. Will
uh,
you?
it is showing it's a high level architecture.
Yeah.
So it uses Amazon Aurora, right?
Mm-hmm.
And it
Yes.
uses Cloudflare, uh, WAF. Then
Yes.
it uses Amazon EBS, right? Then Stack. That info is available, and then
Mm-hmm.
how it communicates, right,
Yes.
to the customer environment. So this one is also a valid diagram. You
Mm-hmm.
can utilize this. Okay.
Okay.
So I'm a CyberArk architect, so I require this type of diagrams on a regular basis, and we do a lot of customization and customer meetings, right? So we require this one.
Yes,
Uh,
sir.
okay. Okay, it's redirecting us to the same. Okay. Anyways, uh, yeah. I'll give you this link as well.